Good morning, and happy Monday for all of y'all heading to the gym right now. It is 5 a.m. in the morning here in California. Yay, we are headed to the gym. All right, so y'all took a vote about my little crop top, my little muscle shirt. And y'all said don't wear that shit to the gym on Monday. Okay, whatever. I don't gotta wear it to the gym. Feel productive at all. Headed to the gym, but I don't know what I'm doing. I was supposed to figure that out last night, but instead, power had my attention. I don't know how I aggravated an old ankle injury, but we did that last week. I, got on that quick, soaked, ice, all that shit. Ankle has not swollen up like this. So I'm just like, whoa, what happened? Yeah, I've been late, but it seems like Monday is a little chill day. Like, there's not a lot of people here right now. You know, everybody's struggling, and I might get a spot. I'm gonna rack those weights. Free weights, dumbbells. I might do a little shit, something in the corner, a little head workout or whatever. Who fucking knows, bro? Who knows how this is going to go? Because right about now, I just want to chill. I just want to relax. I don't want to do anything, really. I had a pretty, chill weekend. Meal prepping, making sure that the week is good to go so I'm not, scrambling. What am I eating? Do I got all my protein? Nah, that's what the weekends are for. Know what I mean, Jelly Bean? All right, so I'm going to take y'all in the gym with me. Y'all know how this goes. Uh, Glad you guys are coming with me on this journey. See you inside. All right, so I'm gonna debrief y'all when we get to the car. All right, gang. So debrief. I decided to start doing the debriefs because I'm leaving y'all at the gym and shit. You're like, what happened? Probably, I don't know. Shit, you're not talking. Anywho, so as y'all saw, that I did some bench press, some leg some concentrated curls, a leg press, some squats. Yeah, I only did the 4 exercises. I was just trying to, do full body without doing back and stuff like that. Tomorrow we'll get into back. I have an appointment today. I try not to do back on the days that I have, like, my chiropractic appointment, because the last time I went in there stiff, the heating pad did not warm me up enough. I stuck trying to crack my neck, and I don't want him to break it. And neck, wait. I need my neck. I was like, he seems so nice. I don't think he would break my neck. Not sure, right? Now that I've woken up, I'm feeling, good, I'm feeling alive. I have finally had all of my pre-workout, you feel me? But overall, I feel like, even though I only did the 4 lifts or whatever the case might be, the 4 exercises, I do feel like, I got a good pump in for Monday. I did not feel like going to the gym whatsoever. I dragged ass. I didn't get there at 5. I got there around 5:15. Let me save my workout. I feel like it was a very productive morning. We started on the bench. We started with the bar 45. We did about, I think, 12 to 15 reps there. Then we started adding on the weight. I try not to lift too heavy, especially if nobody in the gym that I know is there, because I don't have a spotter. You feel me? Although I was next to the gentleman, I just be like, hey, can you spot me? I haven't lifted over 100 pounds on the bench since January, so yeah, I've been trying to recruit friends to come and go to the gym with me, outside of the person that I'm already going with, but that's fewer than anything. Like, haven't really worked out, so I'm recruiting new gym friends. Y'all know any. I appreciate y'all stopping by. If you got to the end of the video, make sure that you like and subscribe. It definitely helps the channel out. Like, it helps me grow, especially if you're someone who's looking into losing weight or you're motivated by my weight loss journey. Yeah, definitely share it with a friend. Like, we're all on this journey together. If I had it my way, I would come to every city and work out with all of y'all. But, bitch, I got a 9 to 5, gotta work, you know what I mean? But yeah, I will work out with all of y'all. We will do this together. I'm not a trainer, I'm just a friend. So, as I mentioned, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.